Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to go over how to find the best products to promote on Clickbank, the best Clickbank products that you could actually promote as an affiliate, and how to actually find them and actually make the most money with Clickbank by providing the best value to your customers. So before I actually dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos Monday through Friday that will show you how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and how to work from home, how to make a passive income. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and this way I'll be notified whenever there is a brand new video right on this channel. So actually, when it comes to promoting products on Clickbank, there is a three-step process that I want to go over in particular that will help you find the best products to promote on Clickbank. And I do have some notes over here to my right, which I will be kind of referring to. So step number one is you want to determine the niche that you want to go into. So what type of products do you want to promote on Clickbank? Clickbank has a ton of different niches that you can get into, from health and wellness. There is the make money online niche. There is the dating / relationship niche. There's travel. There's cryptocurrency. There's e-learning. There's business. There's a whole bunch of niches that you can, of course, get into. But what you want to do is you want to determine what is the niche that you, of course, want to get into. What is something that you are rather passionate about, and also what's something that you are rather knowledgeable about, something that you feel there is a huge need for, and something that you feel like you could actually provide lots of value in that niche. So you want to take time to really think about what niche that you are, of course, going to go into. Now, my personal recommendation is you want to pick something either, I'd say one of these top three niches. So you could either go with the make money online / online business type of niche. There is health and wellness, and then there's dating / relationships. Now, I think you and I can agree that as long as the internet exists, there is always going to be thousands of people, probably like tens of thousands of people, every single day, probably like every minute or so, looking up information on how to get into better shape, how to make more money online, how to, find the love of their life. I mean, people are always looking up things like that. So I'd say those three niches right there are where most of the money is being made. So if you consider yourself rather knowledgeable about one of those niches, then I highly recommend starting from there and finding great products in that niche. So that is really step number one, is you want to take the time to find a great niche to, of course, get into, something that you are not only passionate about, but also where there is a high earning potential. And generally, the niches where you are more of educating people, that is where more of the most of the money is being made. So people, they have a problem that they want to solve, whether it's losing weight, whether it's getting six-pack abs, whether it's growing an online business and scaling it to getting much bigger results. People have problems that they want to solve in their life, and they want to actually have that result that of course the product, of course, promises there. So that's really step number one, is you want to determine the niche that you're going into. Step number two is you want to find good products to promote that are of quality. So something that I highly recommend is, I really just cannot stress this enough, is you want to take the time to actually look through the different products in your niche. So for example, if you're getting into the health and wellness niche, you want to look through the different offers that are available inside of Clickbank. You could, sort through the different sections, through like gravity score, or like the the price tag. But what you want to do is you want to look through the different offers that are listed there. Take some time to look at the sales page, really observe it. Look at the sales video. Does it actually look appealing to you? Is it something that you feel that you are interested in potentially promoting? And also, one other thing that I'd recommend doing is you could look up product reviews, but I'd say really the number one way to determine whether a product is of quality or not is actually by buying the product, and seeing it if it's something that you actually believe in yourself. So what I would highly recommend you do is actually buying the product and seeing if it's something that you actually feel comfortable promoting. You don't want to just go in there and start, promoting anything and everything. I know for a lot of people, it can be very tempting to just go inside of Clickbank, pick a bunch of different offers at random, and then just start, spamming their affiliate links all over the place. You want to make sure that what you're promoting is of quality. So for example, I recently put up this wallpaper here, this cheap wallpaper that I bought off of Amazon. And literally as I'm filming this video right now, it's starting to peel off. I'm trying to keep it on there, but this is an example of something that I probably would not promote there. So I mean, it's kind of coming off as kind of being annoying right there. But anyways, I'm just going to kind of keep going on. So you want to make sure that what you, of course, promote is of quality. And the best way of doing that is by buying the product yourself, going through it, seeing if it's of quality, and, see if it's something that you also feel comfortable recommending to other people. If you do not feel comfortable promoting it to other people, I would not sell it. If you do not feel like it could actually help other people, then just don't promote it, because there's plenty of other products that you could find on there that are of much better quality, and it's better to find something that is of great quality. If you promote just anything and everything, it's a quick way to destroy credibility with your audience. So you want to make sure that what you promote is of quality. And then step number 3, this thing wants to okay, make sure that there is also a good earning potential. So having a great product is one thing, but one other thing that I would like to recommend is you want to find something where there's a huge earning potential with it. See, there's plenty of products on Clickbank that you can get like a $10 or $20 commission, which is great. If you can get lots of sales of that, then you can definitely make some pretty good money with that. But if you can make like maybe like $100 per sale, maybe 500 per sale, or 1,000 per sale. Maybe they've got some offers in the on the back end. Maybe they've got some additional upsells on the back end that they provide more value to your customers. If you could find a great offer that provides lots of value and also provides lots of great additional complimentary upsells or offers on the back end, then that's a great way to make some pretty good additional income from one single customer. So it's way better to promote products that are in rather the high ticket range, products that are of on the more on the premium side, because that way you just make more money for really the same amount of work that you're putting in. So that's really what you really want to be thinking about, is not just okay, how could I find the the best quality product, but also something that you feel you could actually earn some pretty good money with, because at the end of the day, I mean, if you're looking to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing, you might as well get paid the maximum amount for the effort that you're putting in. You don't want to just be putting in lots of work and then getting just some additional side income here and there. You want to make you want to be able to actually make a full-time income online through affiliate marketing. At least that's my guess, if you're of course watching this video and you're at this point already. But that's really the 3-step process right there. And the one last thing that I want to mention, and this is something I just really cannot stress enough: having a great product with a great earning potential is not enough if you want to actually make money in the long term with affiliate marketing. Having a great product is one part of the puzzle, but if you want to actually be able to sell that product, if you want to actually be able to get commissions of that on a regular basis, then you need to learn how to actually market online. And the best way to do that is, once you have your offer in place, you want to have a sales funnel set up where you, of course, guiding people through a very specific process that you get their email, they get on your email list, and then you could follow up with them down the road. And then you also have to think about, okay, how exactly are you going to promote this offer? How are you going to get lots of targeted visitors to see your offer? So there's plenty of ways that you could of course go about it. I'm not going to go too into depth about about that into this video, because I don't want this of course to get drawn out. But there's a few different ways you could of course go about it. There is you could build up a community on Facebook. You could build a YouTube channel. You could put up lots of content. You could build a website. There is plenty of things that you of course can do to build up an audience and promote your offers that way. You could even do like paid advertising. So there's a bunch of different ways that you could of course go about it. But really what it comes down to is, once you have a great offer that you want to promote, something that you feel passionate about promoting, you feel comfortable recommending it to other people, and where there's also a great earning potential, you want to take the time to determine, okay, what is going to be your strategy to actually promoting that offer online. And you want to pick one, preferably one strategy, and stick with that long term. The more of a long-term mindset that you have, then the better chance of success that you'll have with Clickbank. So that's really my entire message that I want to, of course, go over with Clickbank. But if you want to learn more about how to actually do affiliate marketing long term, and you want to actually learn how to promote any offer online and actually succeed long term, then my #1 link down below this video will give you access to a free training that will go much more into depth about how to actually promote not just Clickbank products, but really anything online. So if you are looking to get into the health and wellness niche, or the make money online niche, or maybe you are, later down the road, you want to promote like a network marketing type of opportunity, or whatever it is that you want to promote online, this training will show you how you could pretty much succeed with any offer that you want to promote online, whether physical, digital, whatever it is that you have to promote. This training will pretty much walk you through all the steps necessary in order to help you become a great marketer. And that's really what it all comes down to. If you do not know how to properly market online, I mean, there's no offer that will just sell itself for you. You have to be able to learn, okay, how are you going to get lots of high quality traffic? How are you going to, get people to want to actually buy that product? How are you going to get, your leads to convert into buyers and all that type of stuff? So that's really the thing that you, of course, have to take time and really think about. Having a great product is simply not enough. If it was that easy to just sign up to Clickbank, grab a bunch of affiliate links, and just spam them all over the place. I mean, everyone and their dog would be doing this type of stuff, right? So that's really my entire message that I, of course, wanted to go over. But anyways, I'd really be interested in hearing your feedback. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, I'd really appreciate if you gave this a thumbs up, because it really does help the channel. And also, let me know your feedback in the comments down below. Did you find value in this video? Let me know your feedback down below. Check out the free training down below if you are interested in learning more. Otherwise, if you want to check out more videos on this topic, I will include like a playlist, like somewhere over here or like over here. Like another video you could, of course, check out or something like that. And you could, of course, dive deeper into this topic. I've got plenty of other videos that I made throughout my time on here about affiliate marketing and how to, promote products in Clickbank. All the type of stuff is right on this channel. So if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe, and this way you'll be notified whenever there's a brand new video. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and take care.